LeetCode problem 706, design hash map. So this question is easy question. I have to design a hash map without using any built-in hash table libraries. To be specific, your design should include this function. So there's 3 different functions that I have to make. But I'm gonna start code right away and then read this detailed descriptions as I go along. So first of all, I have to create the hash map without any built-in hash table library, and I have to initialize the data structure here. So I'll be create this dot map and then empty array, and then there's a function called put, and it takes key and value. So I have to insert a key and value pair into the hash map. If the value already exists in the hash map, update the value. So I have to update the value. So this dot map key, and so find a key, and then I have to update the value. And for the get function takes key, and it returns the value to which the specified key is maps, or -1 if this map contains no mapping for the key. So I have to return -1 if this map contains no mapping for the key. So if there's no key exists, this dot map key is undefined, then I have to return -1. Otherwise, I have to return the value to which the specified key is mapped. So I have to return this dot map key 1, because I have to put 1 to return the value, because the index starts with 0 and 1 is a value. And lastly, the function is called remove, and it takes key and remove the mapping for the value key if this map contains mapping for the key. So I have to just remove the mapping for the key value. So I'll put this dot map and key and undefined to remove the mapping for the key. So I'm gonna run this code. Yeah, so this passed. I'm still confused with the Beagle for this questions, but I'm just gonna explain here while I'm reading my notes so I can study later for the interview. So for the time complexity is O(n)/k. So I'll be write it down here. Time complexity. And n is a number of all possible key here, and then k is a number of predefined buckets in the hash maps. So that's the time complexity here. And space complexity is O of k plus m, and k is the number of the predefined bucket in the hash map, and m is the number of unique keys that have been inserted into the hash map. So I've never seen the Beagle O of n/k and O of k plus m. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna memorize this time complexity for the design hash maps. So yeah, that's it for today.